Hi, this is Martin here, and what we have here is the chest of the 4 drawers from Ikea. As you can see, the drawers are having quite significant drag, and I didn't kind of like it. And I wanted to actually bring something like something more premium feeling to this unit. So what I've done is to just take the drawers out and take one of these. Oil loops. So I'm using the silicone oil, and this time you can buy one of these like in pretty much any shop, and you see those rails. So just apply a little bit of the oil underneath on the right and also on the left side of the unit, and just make sure that oil is not getting spilled everywhere around. Just make it nice and tidy. And the same thing do for the inside rails. So just make sure that you are not getting, you're not getting messy because the oil can get easily on your clothes. Maybe better if you remove all the drawers first and then loop all of these rails afterwards. And make sure that all this area around the rails stays clean and nice and pretty much beautiful as before. So I'm using a paper towel, and it's pretty easy to wipe any oil remains after application. Then put the drawer back, do one or two moves in and out, and now you can pretty much see the difference. Yeah, this is the old one. It's pretty draggy. Yep, and this is the new one. Pretty good feeling, isn't it? Okay, thank you and have a good one.